How do Adélie penguins breed in their colonies? Have you ever wondered how Adélie penguins manage to breed in one of the harshest environments on Earth? These remarkable birds have adapted their breeding habits to thrive in the polar regions. Adélie penguins breed in colonies found on ice-free rocky shores around the Antarctic continent and its nearby islands. Their breeding season runs from October to February, aligning with the warmer months of Antarctic spring and summer. This timing allows them to take advantage of the most favorable conditions for raising their young. When they arrive at their breeding sites, usually in late October or November, the penguins begin constructing nests. They carefully select small stones to build their nests, which serve an important purpose. These nests keep the eggs and chicks above meltwater or snow, ensuring they remain dry and protected. Each breeding pair typically lays 2 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating these eggs for about 32 to 34 days. They share incubation duties in shifts that usually last around 12 days. During these shifts, the parent on the nest fasts and keeps the eggs warm, while the other parent goes out to forage for food. Interestingly, the incubating parent does not leave the nest, even to relieving itself. Instead, they project waste away from the nest to maintain cleanliness. Once the eggs hatch, the chicks remain in the nest for about 22 days. After this period, they join groups known as crèches. These crèches provide safety in numbers while the parents continue to search for food. The young penguins undergo a molting process into juvenile plumage and typically leave for the sea around 50 to 60 days after hatching. Adélie penguin colonies can vary in size significantly. Some colonies have fewer than 100 individuals, while the largest known colony at Cape Adare boasts around 120,000 breeding pairs. The choice of breeding sites is influenced by several factors. These include proximity to pack ice during winter and early spring, easy access to the sea in summer, and exposure to winds that help keep nesting grounds free of snow. The environmental conditions in polar regions directly impact the success of their breeding. For instance, extensive sea ice can force adult penguins to travel farther for food, which may lead to breeding failures due to chick starvation. On the other hand, reductions in sea ice have caused population declines in certain areas, like the Antarctic Peninsula. Adélie penguins have adapted their breeding behavior to fit the harsh conditions of the polar terrestrial ecosystem. They relying on specific environmental features, such as ice-free rocky land, for nesting and nearby sea ice for feeding access. This delicate balance highlights how sensitive their breeding colonies are to changes in the polar environment.